Okay, so we're at Montrose Brickworks, the Montrose Brickworks Part 3, and here we have our jump. So it's a big dirt jump. Not sure what we're going to put there, but last video you saw this jump us hitting and stuff. We've got a jump over here that we're working on. So you jump off that, jump over there into here. This is the landing. We're going to build takeoff and have so many jumps going along, hip into a berm, some more jumps over there, and we might have a jump jam at 1,000 subs, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. So yeah, that's pretty much it.